Display the appearance of the battery pack. Display battery pack accessories. Test the battery to ensure consistent voltage. Place the battery one by one on the epoxy board. Each battery pack had one epoxy board and one EVA cotton. Assemble BMS. Use nuts to secure BMS to battery pack. Assemble PCB board. Fix the PCB board onto the battery pack. Place bus bar. Place the wires on the bus bars and secure them with nuts. Finally, connect the battery pack in parallel using connector. Use a torque converter for reinforcement. Install handle and Kenja RS485 interface. Install the display screen in positive. Install switch button. Connect the wires provided by BMS to the battery pack. Attention, connect the red cable to the positive terminal. Black cable connected to negative terminal. Connect BMS to battery pack. Connect BMS to PCB board. Test battery power on. Thanks for watching.